Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this 2019 on a 69 plate approved used Audi Q2 Technik 30 TFSI 116 PS 6-speed in Ibis white. Now this is an approved used vehicle, so it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. So to start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning Q2. So starting out at the front, we have the super bright halogen daytime running lights, as well as the halogen headlights, which mean that anything in front of you is visible no matter what time of day. And we do also have these stunning alloy wheels here. Now these are a 16-inch 5-spoke alloy wheel and really nicely complement this stunning Ibis white machine. Now standing back, you can also see the stunning grey C-blade pillar there, which really stands out against this stunning paintwork. Now looking inside the rear, we've got 3 spacious rear seats. They do fold 60-40, and we've also got ISOFIX points on the outer 2 seats there, which means it's very easy to fit a child seat in this little SUV. We've also got plenty of space in there for people over 6 foot. And then walking around to the back of the vehicle, we've got some very stylish rear lights there. Those are LEDs and they are super bright, which means that you remain visible no matter what time of day. And we also have the rear parking sensors on this vehicle, which is really useful for gauging those distances. We've also got a power operated tailgate on this vehicle, so a push of a button there and the tailgate opens. We've got plenty of space in there, as you can see, so you can fit things such as suitcases, golf clubs. And once the rear seats are folded down, you can fit larger items in there, such as a bike, or if you're doing any DIY work, any of the accessories can go in the boot of this Q2. Now walking down to the side of the vehicle, let's have a look inside. So you've got plenty of high quality materials inside this stunning little SUV. So we do have the lovely silver trim there, which really nicely complements this black interior. And we do also have the petrol grey and black interior there, which is very sporty, very comfortable. And these seats hold you tight through the corners, and they're also great for those longer distances. And they have full adjustment as well, which means you can always find that perfect driving position. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around this stunning Audi Q2. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a look inside this Q2 and have a look at some of the technology that's on offer in this stunning SUV. So starting out with the window controls, we do have the fully electrically adjustable heated and folding door mirrors, which is great for those tighter parking spaces, and the heating elements soon get rid of any frost in the morning. We've got this lovely 3-spoke leather wrap multifunction steering wheel, which means all the important buttons are right at your fingertips. So on the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have the controls for the central screen in between the 2 analog dials in front of you there. And on the right hand side there, we've got our volume control, we've got our seek track button, we've also got our voice control, our telephone, as well as our miscellaneous programmable button there as well. This vehicle does also feature the cruise control and speed limiter, which means that on those longer journeys you won't get any leg ache, and it also means that you shouldn't get any speeding tickets in this speedy little SUV. Now looking up to the centre here, we have the central screen there in between the 2 analog dials, and you can look at things such as your phone, your music, and you can also have a look as well there at the vehicle settings. Now coming over to the central infotainment screen, this is controlled via a dial down near the gear stick, and we've got things on there such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can connect your phone via Spotify. You can also use Siri to control some of the key functions, and this means it's much safer to use the vehicle whilst on the move. Now we do also have the telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We've got our media via Bluetooth or USB. We've also got our radio there, so we've got a long list of digital audio broadcasting radio stations there, so you can never be short of anything to listen to in this stunning little car. We've also got there on our car settings, you can do key things such as on the central locking. You can make sure that the mirrors fold in when you lock the vehicle, so they're nice and tucked away, and it also helps you to know when your vehicle is locked. We also have air conditioning in this vehicle, which means that on those hot summer days, you can keep the vehicle nice and cool, and when it's that on one of those chilly winter mornings, you can quickly heat up the vehicle. Now looking below that, we've got a 12-volt socket, perfect for any accessories, should you wish to plug in a sat-nav or anything such as that. We've also got a USB socket there, perfect for charging those devices, and we've got 2 spacious cup holders. You can also take the central bit out there, so if you'd like to have it as just a storage area, you can do so, no problem. And in this car, we have the very slick 6-speed manual gearbox, which means that it pairs very nicely with the 30 TFSI engine. It's very speedy, very punchy, and it also shifts very slick, in a very slick manner. Now looking below that, we've got our controls there for that central infotainment screen. So you've got the central dial there. You've also got your shortcut buttons, and it's very easy to use whilst on the move. And then behind that, we've got our electric parking brake, as well as auto hold, which is absolutely amazing in those traffic queues and means that you don't have to hold your foot on the brake. And below this armrest here, we've got plenty of storage space for your wallet or keys, which you wish to remain hidden. We've also got a second USB socket, as well as an auxiliary port there, which means that this car is perfect for all those technological devices. So that completes our look today at this 2019 Audi Q2 Technik 30 TFSI in Ibis White. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance.